Your name?
Manan Bhateja.
Are you a student?
Yes.
College name and city?
College name is NSIT, Netaji Subhash University of Technology, and city is New Delhi.
Course name of course which exam is taken?
Innovation, Business Models, and Entrepreneurship.
How many course have you completed with NPTEL so far?
This is my second course. My previous course was Design Thinking.
Which was a favorite course and why?
Uh, I would say that Design Thinking, I found Design Thinking to be better. I liked that course more.
On average, how many assignments are you able to complete?
I'm able to complete all of the assignments.
Assignment were easy, interesting, and difficult.
Medium level.
Are you active in discussion forum?
No.
Do you post question?
No.
Have you done the same course in college? And how is NPTEL course different?
No, my college doesn't have these courses.
How was the exam?
Exam was fine.
Was this course beneficial for you? In
Yes.
what way?
Yes, I would say I got to learn many things. Matlab, the major thing why I took this course was I thought that I'll get an introduction to what MBA is. So what are managerial jobs? So what do you actually learn in business? So I got to learn, like, for example, if I give an example, different strategies like the red ocean strategy or the blue ocean strategy, or what parameters does a business on what parameters does a business have to focus on when it's in the early stages to become a successful one. So
Have
I
you
would say I
gotten
got to learn
internship,
things.
job based offer, NPTEL performance.
No,
In the future, are you planning to take more NPTEL courses?
no, no.
Are you targeting a complete any specific domain? If so, which one?
I Could you repeat the question?
Are you targeting the complete any specific domain?
I,
Which, if so, which one?
I would be targeting the tech domain for my future.
Any suggestion, feedback on NPTEL courses?
Yes. One thing which I would like to give is that looking at all the other courses which are available in today's market to the present students, like, all of the courses are a lot more creative and a lot more dynamic. For example, let me give you a simple example. In the NPTEL courses, the PPT, it's so simple. Like, the PPT is like, a student doesn't get any interest while looking at the PPT. So the courses should be made more creative. For example, you can add animations in the courses or something like that, so the student feels like watching the course again and again. So I would say, in my experience, I found, like, both of my courses, design thinking and this innovation business models, these to be boring compared to the other courses which are available. For example, if you want to learn coding on the internet, there are so many courses and they have, like, so many dynamic things. There are animations, there are a lot of different things. The PPTs are really good, but these courses, like, they don't have, like, interesting PPTs. The PPTs are really simple, and no animation. So all of it is, like, really static. Like, you're just giving information, tuck 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 tuck. Like,
Did you like NPTEL course?
no.
Rating NPTEL in 1 to 5?
3.